right, here goes another one, y'all. This is the 8-piece silver with the rubies going across the tips of all 8 teeth, y'all. Sorry, I don't got my gloves on today, so I'm gonna use something else. This is him, y'all. This is good looking rubies on all the tips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way, going all the way across. Thank you for this client for being very patient with us. Really came out well. You can do this with any of your birthstones, you know, rubies, emeralds, sapphires, tourmaline, aquamarine, you know, topaz, whatever you want, guys. We got you guys covered for whatever your month is. You can do this in gold. This is in silver, but we can do this in gold, white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, any of the above. Appreciate you guys for tapping in, man. Appreciate you guys for supporting. Hope you all have a blessed week. Stay positive, you guys. 206-250-0833. Business line is the website is seattlegogrills.com. Give us a call, set up an appointment. We'd love to hear from you. Be easy, y'all. 1.